loves, and welcome back to this vlog. For those that are new here, welcome, and for those that have been here a while, welcome back. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It helps this community grow, and I appreciate your support in advance. So I just came back from buying something off of Facebook Marketplace. I just came back from the guy's home and I'm super excited. This here is what I got. You all know I've been looking for a shoe rack, but guess what? I got all these. How many are they? 9 of them for 50 bucks plus 10 bucks that I paid for Uber. That's it. So my plan is to put them like around here, because ideally I would love to put a mirror up here. Maybe I should pass by the thrift store. They have so many mirrors and it will make this part of the house complete. But yeah, I'm going to use some of them here and I'm going to use the rest over in this little nook here. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks super cute. I cannot wait to put the stuff that I need to put in. So you guys know I was looking for a shoe rack, but instead of a shoe rack, I'm going to use this bottom part as a shoe rack. You see the mat that I have here? I'm going to get the same from the dollar store and cut it to fit it at the bottom so that the white doesn't get dirty. But then the rest of it, I'm going to put all the journals that are in here. Well, not all of them, most of them. Oh my god, you can see my toilet. But all the journals that are in here, I'm going to move them and put them right here. Or I remove the ones under my bed, because I still have some below my bed, as you can see. So maybe I'll just take off 1, 2, 3. Here is the thing. This is currently where I keep my tripods and all that. However, if I clear the space in here, I can put them right there, and then this space will all become free, which makes the place a lot more open, because it's a studio apartment. And guys, with studio apartments you always have to improvise. This video started off like this, but it's supposed to be a meal prep video, because next week I want to get back on track. I want to be on my A game, and in order for me to be on my A game, I can't be cooking while working and all that stuff. So today I plan to smash out all the cooking. In fact, what time is it? It's 1. I haven't started defrosting my meat. I didn't think about what I need to eat, but I should defrost my meat. And I need to plan before I prep, because they're two different things. I need to plan what I'm going to eat, then I prep. So yeah, let me defrost some meat as I figure out this whole book situation. Got some chicken breast, ground beef, and what other protein? I have salmon and tilapia. How many tilapia? 1, 2, and 1 salmon. I'm going to take 1 chicken. I have a lot of access to ground beef. I think I'm going to do tilapia this week. I took out more boxes and there is way more space in here. These are stickers. Did I tell you guys that I sell stickers too? Because I have these wellness stickers. I also have some social media stickers for people that need stickers for their journals. You don't even have to buy the 90-day be your own day journal. Whatever journal you have and you want to have like a special set of stickers, this is perfect. Anyway, I haven't marketed these as much. I will. I remember the first time I ever opened these boxes to look at these journals, the feeling always feels the same. So this is 1 box. Now I have an idea of how many boxes go in here. The second box is going to go here, and I can put a 3rd box in this too. So yeah, 3 boxes down. This is the final product. I managed to put a bunch of journals here, and these are all the stickers that I have. I don't market my stickers much just because they were not out of the boxes yet, but now that I've unboxed everything, I'm happy with what it looks like. Let me show you from this angle. That is what it's looking like. I think it's pretty cute. And over here, I think you remember this used to be at the entrance so that I put my keys when I come in, but now it's here. And then these are my crystals. I decided to put them all in this bowl. Some of them I had before, and the others are the ones I showed you in the previous video that I got from Mindful Soul. This is the necklace. I don't know where to put it, so I'm putting it here for now. The bracelet. And then over here I just put my sage. So that's what it's looking like. I think it's a vibe. I'm yet to do a studio apartment tour for you guys. Another thing, I removed all the stuff that was standing here, the tripods and everything, because I created space in this little spot. These are my winter jackets. I have my cleaning stuff. I broke my broom right now when I was doing some organization. I have to go and get one. But yeah, I created some space here. Now I only have one box, and I put all the packaging up here. This is still a closed box, but I just unboxed the rest so that there is much more space. And my 3 tripods are here now. The other one is right there, but I'm still using it in the kitchen because we are about to do a weekly meal prep. But first, I need to write down everything I have and just plan what I'm going to eat this week, because I was thinking of going grocery shopping, yet my fridge is full, and that is a dumb thing to do. I have a lot of food. I have dry food, I have fresh food, all them things them. So let's get it. I have a lot of food. I'm so glad I didn't go out to buy food, because first of all, I don't feel like it, and second of all, I have so much food. Oh, did I put sweet potato? Because it's hidden out here. Best off of my regular schedule. My schedule right now is I work on Monday and Tuesday, but I work only from 12 to 6 or 7, and I'm home by 8. I used to want to intermittent fast, but I have to be realistic with myself. I didn't want to eat late, but if I get home at around 8, then technically I'm going to eat food at around 9, and that will be my last meal, which is okay. I just have to adjust my intermittent fasting hours. Actually, I think I'm able to intermittent fast on certain days, and other days I can't. For the days that I don't go to work, that's 4 days a week: Wednesday, Thursday, and then Saturday, Sunday. Those days I can intermittent fast, but the other 3 days I cannot, because I have to go to work, and if I go to work without eating, chances are I'm going to eat like I don't know, fast food and all that stuff. I was just organizing my pantry and realized that I had all these bottles. I normally keep them every time my spices finish, my herbs finish, and I tell myself I'll use them. I never use them, and I just realized I have 3 right now. So what I'm going to do is put the herbs that don't have packaging in here. The only problem is that I don't have stickers to write on them what herbs they are, but in the meantime, let's do it. They look good, don't they? I have all my things laid out. I want to look at them so that I don't miss out anything. I'm also typically the kind of person that needs a whole lot of choice. I hate when I meal prep and I have like little choices to choose from. So I'm going to meal prep a bunch of stuff so that during the week I don't feel bored with my meals. You already saw this. I soaked some lentils. I'm going to make some broccoli, some sweet potato, cut up the cucumber so that it's much easier to eat. And yeah. Here is another tip for how to not waste food products. These asparagus stems can still be used for broth. So I'm going to put them in my freezer. I'm just going to store them in the freezer. I think I'm going to start to use my waste a lot more, and I'm also going to start composting. But for now, since I'm not composting, I'm just going to keep this and all the stuff that I used today, like the scrap, the onion scrap, broccoli scrap, just keep it here for a broth sometime during the week. Or maybe, I don't know, whenever I feel like. The first step is going to be marinating the fish and chicken, and then make some granola. Because this fish and chicken, in order for me to save time, is going in the oven, but I don't want the granola to smell like meat, so I put the granola in first and then the meat next. The meat and sweet potato. The sunset looks so pretty on the building, that pink, no? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Now for the granola, I'm going to make a super simple granola. Actually, let me preheat my oven. You know my trick, what I normally do is put it on broil for a couple of minutes so that it gets to the temperature that I need faster. I'm adding some protein powder, maple syrup. Oh shit, I made a mistake. I need to add all the dry stuff first. But okay, I'm going to add some of these. Some peanut butter. I also want to add some chocolate chips. Oh my god. Oh my god, you won't believe it. I preheated this with... Tell me you're African without telling me you're African. We put pans in the... We put pans in the oven. While my granola is baking, I'm going to prep all the veggies so that when it's time to cook, it's only cooking time. Cooking all the stuff together to get ready: the chicken, the fish, the sweet potato fries. Right, while this is baking, we're going to get straight into the lentil soup. Hi Manu, you're here soon, but Meal prep is done. Over here we have some granola, quinoa, lentils, bananas chopped up. I'm going to freeze them to make smoothies. Carrot soup, grilled tilapia, grilled chicken, grilled broccoli and asparagus. This was a little bit overcooked because I was deep in conversation and forgot it. And then some sweet potato fries. It's 9:30. My friend just left. It was nice to see him. I miss him so freaking much. Anyway, I'm so glad I meal prepped. I have so much food to choose from during the week, so I have no excuse to eat unhealthy. Let me just take this garbage out real quick, then come put the food in the fridge. Everything fits. I'm so happy. I have some fresh fruit, eggs, cherry tomatoes, spinach during the week to switch up things. That's it for this week's meal prep. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends who are trying to get healthier, lose weight, be the best versions of themselves. This meal prep here is going to help me so much during the week, so I don't have to think about what I need to eat. The food is already cooked. All I have to do is warm it and eat it, and hopefully this is going to create more time for me to be more productive and just put in the work during the week. Yo, we didn't eat these chicken wings after all. We ate the fried ones, which were also so not good. These ones are still here, and it sucks that I have to throw this food away, but I'm going to throw it away because it's not good for me, man. What should I do? Should I keep them? By the time you guys watch this video, I probably have thrown them, but I'm going to keep them here for a while. They don't look so nice, and maybe I don't know, we'll see. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I don't know if you can tell that I'm tired, but I'm super tired. I still can't get over this little part. Yo, man, progress every day, progress.